Little storyteller.
Leo loved playing Brave Knight Leo. His knight had shiny blue armor and a big friendly smile. One sunny afternoon, Leo sat with his game. The knight popped up on the screen. "Hello, brave Leo," the knight said. "I have a new quest for you." Leo bounced in his seat. "A dragon? A spooky monster?" The knight shook his head. "Nope. Quest: clean your room. Reward 10 gold coins. Imaginary." Leo looked around his messy room. Toys were everywhere. Socks hid under the bed. "Ha!" The knight winked. "A tidy room is a happy kingdom." Leo giggled. He picked up a fluffy bunny and put it in the toy box. Then he gathered his colorful blocks. It felt a bit like a game. When his room was neat, the knight cheered. "Hooray! You got 10 gold coins!" Imaginary gold coins sparkled on the screen. New quest: water the little flower on your window. Leo looked at the small pot with a tiny sprout. He carefully poured a little water. The flower seemed to smile. The knight clapped his hands. "Wonderful! You are a super helper." The next day, the knight had another quest. Help mommy set the table for lunch. Leo helped put out colorful plates and shiny spoons. Mommy smiled. "Thank you, my little helper." The knight on the screen gave a thumbs up. Helping others is the best quest of all. Leo felt warm and happy. He learned that helping was fun, even without imaginary gold coins. The knight smiled. When we help, we make everyone happy, and that makes the world a better place for everyone.
Please subscribe. Thank you.